How to change currency on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change currency on Binance. Now, without any further delay, let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Binance. And once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, from your account, all you have to do here is find the wallet section at the top of your screen, because that's where you manage all of your assets. Or you could just go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top left. I'll just go over to wallet first. And once you're on wallet here, as you can see, I have US dollars as my default currency at the top under my wallet. If you want to change that, you can tap on the three dots at the top left. Then from there, you can find preferences, and there you have language. Then under that is currency. Currently it's selected to US dollars, so just tap on it and you can select any currency you want from this list. So I'll just scroll here, and let's say if I want it to be changed to euros, I can just tap on euro, and the entire currency will now be changed to euros, and the conversion rates will be on euros. So as you can see here, the currency has been changed. That's basically it, guys. If you see all the trading rates, it will be on euros now. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.